This is Pete with WrapMySpyder. Today we're going to feature an application video of how to install our WebWorks line of products. The initial product is the foundation of many more products to come, but it is this web that is to be placed on the speaker grills of your Spyder. And this really enhances the look and personalizes your machine, and it's quite simple to apply. So the color that we're featuring here is our widow red color of these webs, and as you'll notice, there's tabs in the back of the product, and these tabs insert into the speaker grill, which is what secures it. So there's no glues, no drilling, no disassembly. Basically it's a push and go application. So these were engineered to fit this specific speaker. On this particular model, it is the 2024 to current Spyder RT either model. And to apply these, you don't really have to do any surface prep. I mean, it would be a good idea if the grill was clean behind it, but once you do that and have it clean, we're going to have you align this web. You can align it to the leading edge of the side of the speaker and align your push tabs with the top hole in the top right corner of this left side speaker grill. And once you have it aligned at the top, then you can also align the outer tab here on the outside. And you simply insert the tab once you get it all aligned, and they will push into place to secure themselves. And you can see it's quite a tight fit when it's applied properly and you have everything pushed in. It is nice and flush with that speaker grill, nice and tight, and should hold just fine for all your riding adventures. So that's basically it. There's not a lot to do. Basically push and go to get it to install. And it really creates, as you can see, a unique look that personalizes that dash. There will be more products coming in this line. Like I said, WebWorks is the name of the line. Now, just to run through, if in fact you ever wanted to remove it, we don't recommend, if you want to reuse them, trying to pull them out from the top side. We don't want to have any issues. You want to be able to reuse it. If you were transferring machines and it was a similar year, had similar shape speaker, you could in fact take it with you. So to get these speaker grills off, it is relatively easy. If you have a pick tool, you simply put the pick tool on the inside and pull towards you, and that will loosen the grill to come out. So it takes a little bit of a pull towards you and out at the same time, and that releases the factory clips. And then you would go ahead and push the pins out to get the web out safely. So those are just some quick tips on our new WebWorks line of products that were going to be made for the grills for the Can-am Spyders. You'll see very soon we'll be creating webs for the lower grills parallel with the glove box, and also your rear top case speaker grills as well. So lots more to come. We're very excited about this product, and we hope that this video proved beneficial. And as you can see, it's quite an easy product to apply. So this is Pete with WrapMySpyder, and we want to thank you for taking the time to watch our application video.